Hello and welcome to the latest delivery by Chic Spaces at My Home Mangala. This house is a classic example of modernity with subtlety. Sleek crockery unit, custom-made beds, beautiful false-ceiling designs, full-size console unit are few of the main features of this house. My favorite part of this apartment is the guest bedroom with a very innovative false-ceiling design, wardrobe and a study unit. Do take a tour of this whole house and let us know about your favorite chic space. Thank you.